The expulsion of a small amount of ejaculate can be the result of various factors, including hormonal and anatomical issues. Depending on the reason for the hypospermia, action will be taken in one way or another to seek a solution and try to increase the ejaculated volume amount. Therefore, there is no definitive or single treatment for low seminal volume. The usual recommendation is to avoid the abuse of toxins like tobacco or alcohol and maintain a healthy and balanced diet. Other effective tips for trying to improve ejaculate volume would be to drink plenty of water, as well as eating fresh fruits and vegetables, due to their high content of vitamin C and antioxidants. Zinc is also highly recommended by specialists due to its antioxidant properties. Among the foods that are rich in zinc, we can find red meats, as well as different types of nuts and seeds. Following these healthy habits may significantly help to improve semen volume in some men, but they will hardly have any effect in the most severe cases. Therefore, it is advisable to go to a specialized assisted reproduction clinic if pregnancy is not achieved after 1 year of unprotected sexual relations, or after 6 months if the woman is over 35 years old.